Oh, you thought the announcements were over. Oh, no, 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 no. We're just getting started, my friends. Now, we have some amazing announcements we made this week about the 360 Pass. I mean, the 360 Pass just became the hottest ticket round, and it's just going to get better from here too. But I didn't leave out my friends over at Authority X Pro. So for people who have been looking at Authority X Pro, and you're like, man, I really want to see what all of this buzz is about. Everybody's talking about it. Everybody is saying it's so helpful. It's changing the game for them. And I just want to see what it is. And not only do I want to see what it is, I want to be able to use it. I want to be able to experience what they're experiencing. And I want to get some answers to some burning questions that just might help me make more money, get clarity, figure out the thing I haven't been able to figure out for weeks, months, or even years. This is what's really happening with users of Authority X Pro. So I know it can happen for you. So what I've decided to do is a little bit of an open house. This is a luxury product. And you know how you sometimes they have open houses for luxury homes, or if you want to buy like a really nice car or a plane or something, you can take a look at it. That's what I'm doing for you. So right now, right now, you can go to authorityxpro.com and you can get 24 hours unlimited messages inside of Authority X Pro. And it treats it like it's your account. You do the onboarding questions just like anybody else who is a member of it, a paid user. It works with you. There's no constraints. It's not like a lighter version. It is the real deal. So if you can spend those 24 hours right, you can have everything you need. Now, of course, what I believe, the reason I'm doing this, and what I believe is that there will be a percentage of people who just can't live without it once they see how valuable it is to them. And that percentage is going to go on to join and it's going to be awesome. So I'm very excited. People who get to test it, they usually become paid members or paid users. And yeah, so watch what I say and what I do. So a little bit to the side, look how I'm doing this. This free trial, this open house. When you have a product like Authority X Pro, which by itself, without me trying, gets so much positive feedback, so many testimonials, unprovoked, unrequested, and you know that all it would take is for someone to spend a day with it, and then they would be hooked and they would be convinced. That's what you do. You let them. So that's what's happening. That means that everybody else gets to try it out for free, even if you don't end up paying for it. It's free. And here's another thing. When you work with it, it's going to give you these answers and what people have been talking about. You get to keep those. You get to keep it, even if you don't join it for the year. Just keep it. You can join it for a month as well. Keep it. I want you to win. Somebody said that I was like super, they had never seen me this excited. I honestly don't know why this week has been so exciting to me. I felt different. I don't know. I just feel like I'm not chasing anything. I'm not like, I just know how good this is. I know how good 360 Pass is. Oh, there's one more thing. I hope you stay to this part. People from now on, as of right now, anyone, I almost forgot this. I'm so glad I remembered. From now on, anyone who purchases an annual pass to Authority X Pro gets an annual pass to 360 Pass. That's right. So there are a few people who have both or who have one or the other, whatever. I have a little page for you inside of 360 Pass. If you are a 360 Pass member who already has Authority X Pro, go into 360 Pass. I have something for you. Basically, everybody's going to win. You get a car, you get a car, you get a car. Everybody's going to win in this situation. Arlen's all access members, guess what? You got something too. Inner Circle members, guess what? You got something too. We all go up.